Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials and the first real steps. Gather the exact replacement bulb and a 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver and gloves because oils shorten bulb life. With the ignition off, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. This is quick and important. Once done, open the bonnet and remove the small plastic cover or bezel around the light housing. Use the flat screwdriver gently. You now have clear access to the lamp assembly, ready for the next phase. You continue by removing the wiring connector first. Press the tab and pull straight back. This prevents damage. Then, undo the retaining ring or small screws holding the bulb. Some Punto models twist the ring clockwise, others use bolts. Once the old bulb is free, pull it straight out and never touch the glass with bare fingers because oils reduce lifespan. Insert the new bulb in the same orientation, seat it fully, and resecure the ring and connector until you feel it click into place. You finish by reconnecting the negative battery terminal and replacing the plastic cover and bezel, making sure clips snap back fully. Start the engine and test low and high beams plus any related indicators, because a correct electrical check avoids surprises. If alignment looks off, park 3M from a wall and adjust the aim screws until the beam pattern matches the factory specification. One key troubleshooting tip: if the lamp doesn't light, check the fuse and connector for corrosion before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.